Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my completion review of this diamond painting I got on AliExpress. I called it Yellow Irises. This is my 47th finished diamond painting. I got it from store 326232 on AliExpress for $6.20. I ordered it in the Black Friday sale. I got it pretty quickly. This is a 30 by 40 with poured glue, rhinestone drills. There were no DMCs. There were 21 colors in all, and this took me 4 days to complete. So my main comments were is I had to iron the canvas because it's a really hard canvas and there was some pretty hard creases on it. What did I write? 6 and E were very hard to read, and the black drills were smaller. Okay, so here it is. Oh, here's the original picture. Is that focused? I can't tell. Yeah, it looks focused. Here's the original picture, and here it is. So this is my first full rhinestone diamond painting. Well, except for the black. The black were regular drills. I'm still debating whether I like the full rhinestone effect. I mean, working on it was like really fun to do because it's different than normal drills, and the drills themselves close up look really, really beautiful. But I'm not sure if I'm still debating whether I like how it looks in a final, like, I don't know, like how it looks finished. Like, I don't know. I feel like I have to do more to really gauge whether I like it or not, but I kind of feel like this would have had a better effect if the background here was normal drills or something and just the flowers were rhinestones. I think that would have given this a beautiful effect. I'm not sure how many diamond painting companies do something like that where they only use the rhinestones for certain portions, but I like rhinestones, but I'm not sure if I like the whole diamond painting to be rhinestones. So I do have one more that I got from the same order, and I will do it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy a full rhinestone diamond painting unless I knew it was just like I don't like doing partials that much because I don't feel like you get your bang for your buck because you do them really quickly. But I think if diamond paintings start to doing like a mixture, well, more diamond painting companies do a mixture where they could have this background be just normal drills and then have the like flowers be the rhinestones, because I feel like rhinestones are good for accent pieces and not necessarily for the whole thing. But that's my opinion. I probably won't buy a full rhinestone kit again anytime soon unless I decide, oh, I should give them another chance or something. But yeah, it does look very beautiful, like color-wise, but yeah, I don't think it's my favorite. I think I'll just keep doing normal drill diamond paintings and then just use rhinestones myself to enhance them. So I did say that two of the symbols, 6 and E, were hard to see. Well, since I drilled already, you can't see it, but so E, the problem with E is it's a very, very dark, so you can't even see it on the screen. This is E right here. It's very dark green with black writing, and the only reason I knew it was E because I don't use a light pad is it was much darker, and you could see the F and the H which were the other two greens. Not sure if you could see it. Like, see, F and H were the other two greens, and they were much clearer. So I just assume if it's that dark green, it was an E. And then the 6 here looks very clear on this when it's blown up, but when it's the smaller one, you could barely see the 6 written out, but it was obvious it was a 6 just because of a white. Like, all the other reds have black writing while the 6 is the white writing. So even though it didn't look like a 6, I saw like a red with some white in it. So then I was like, okay, that's a 6. So it wasn't the clearest printed, but after I've decided to stop using light pads unless absolutely necessary, you make do with how to interpret what things are. All right, so yeah, here it is. Still not sure if I like the whole rhinestone effect, but I know other people do like them, so if this, I mean, I did for my own sake, but hey, you might be like thrilled by how this looks, and I am. It is, but I just don't know if I prefer it over regular drills. Well, oh yeah, so I had plenty of drills left. These are all gonna just go into my stash for my, what's it called, embellishing, when I do more diamond paintings where I feel like I need to embellish. So that is one good thing, is I bought this and now I have a whole bunch of different colors that I didn't have in rhinestones, and if I just decide I want to embellish something, I have more. So I didn't run out of any colors. In case anyone watched my kitting up video, what's that called, where I said I wasn't sure which one was, like, this bag was labeled number 2 even though it matched the color of number 1. Well, it was number 1, so I was kind of afraid a little bit that I was like, oh no, because I was using up 2 first for some reason, and then yeah, I just thought, oh man, was I not gonna have enough 2? But no, everything was fine. Had plenty of drills left. So yeah, there you go. Here is my full rhinestone kit. All right. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.